Good morning, loves. It's your favorite, Babalwa Brook. Today is Sunday, the 23rd of June 2019, and the time is 10:25 in the morning. I just called my mom, and she's watching the news, so I'm gonna let her do that and then call her back. And in the meantime, I thought I'd call you. I hope you don't mind. All right, here's another episode of Living in a Truck with Brook. Hashtag Truckerlife. I am waiting for them to work on my trailer, which is loaded, and I have somewhere to be, and unfortunately I'm here. That's a story for another day. I know I owe you a lot of stories, but whenever I have something quick that I want to talk about quickly that may pass, I think that I should do that first, and then when we both have time, we can talk about other things. So right now I just boiled eggs for the week in here, and it's my first time doing that. It's going to be a lot of firsts for me because, as you may have noticed, I'm new to trucking. I'm trying to keep my weight right and everything. If you see my previous videos from years before, you'll notice that I'm somebody who has come far and is still going in that regard. So yesterday I had made chicken in here, and I left it in here for a while to cool down, and when I took it out, I just wiped this, but I didn't really wash it, so you'll notice a little bit of remainder of the chicken in there. I tell you all that to say, because I don't have a tap or a running water faucet, whatever in here, I use my bottled water. I haven't had a chance to buy like gallons of water. I just have bottled water. So I took one bottle, I put it in here, and I boiled a dozen of eggs with it. They're cracked because I forgot the rack at home. Normally when I boil eggs in my Instapot, I put the rack first and then I put the eggs in here. I do have a video of how I really normally do it here on my channel if you keep checking. Anyway, here are the eggs. They boiled right, they're cooked. This is a little bit of the chicken water, but that's fine, it's in the shell. So I'm going to take that same warm water, waiting for it to cool down, and put a little bit of soap, and I'm going to do my dishes in here. I just have one container like this, and this silverware. So that's what I want to do, and then I'm also going to clean this with that water and throw the water out. You know, recycling, so that I don't have too much going on, too much stuff. Anyway, once these have cooled down, I'm going to put them in the fridge, and then I'm going to when I'm done with this container right here, I'm going to put it back into the Instapot, seal it, and store it away so that it doesn't fall, because this thing right here shuts. That one, we can shut it. That way nothing can fall out. Everything will stay in there safe. And I think that's it for now. Everything else will come as we go along. I don't want to make too long videos because I'm kind of busy. I'm utilizing this time that I'm sitting here kind of shut down to get things done that I haven't been able to do because it's driving and sleeping and driving and sleeping. So that's it for now. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. What other kinds of videos would you like me to do on trucking and life in general, weight loss, this, that, or the other? And we'll talk about it. Leave me a comment below. Please like, share, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. You know the works. Thank you and goodbye.